Buildings with high ceilings can be difficult and expensive to air condition. Athletic facilities, large retail stores, shopping malls and grocery stores, cold storage facilities, air-conditioned warehouses, and auto showrooms often have this challenge. Most commercial air conditioning systems deliver the cool conditioned air near the ceiling. When the system is running, this cool air is pushed to the floor, but not always evenly. In fact, it's not unusual for temperatures to vary by 5 to 10 degrees within the same space. When the system cycles off, the cool air stalls. We've all experienced this cycling of temperatures. The air feels still while you continue to get warmer and warmer. Zoofan's innovative patented design provides a simple and effective way to end this wasteful cycle of too hot, too cold, and noticeably improve comfort. Zoofans eliminate big temperature swings, evenly distribute the cool conditioned air, and provide the added comfort of constant air circulation without uncomfortable drafts. With Zoofans, HVAC systems run less, comfort goes up, and cooling costs go down by 10 to 30%. Comfortable people do more. Install Zoofans and everyone will notice the change. Find out how easy it is for you to lower the cost of high ceilings. For more information, call or click today.